I was a very good student in the Hebrew class. I was so highly motivated, and I was at the top of the class. And in May of 1945, just before the war ended, I was awarded the Golden Iron for the top Hebrew scholar of my second year Hebrew class. And there was a big assembly and a big celebration, and my father was so proud and so thrilled. I was really my father's pet. I know that. And this was in May of 1945, and in June was the end of the war in Europe. And then my father got sick in July, and he went for doctors, and they said he has to have an operation, and he went into the hospital on August 7th or 8th, and just a few days, a day or two before VJ Day. And he died. He did not survive the surgery. My Uncle Sam was with him and told me that the last words that he uttered were Hebreyish, Hebreyish, and he was referring to my Hebrew reward that meant so much to him. And we were sitting Shiva, and they were yelling all over there for VJ Day, the war was over.